Travel to Sapa in December. Welcome back to the video of Trekking Tour Sapa. In this video, we will share with you some mistakes when traveling to Sapa. Traveling to Sapa in December can be a wonderful experience, but there are some common mistakes that travelers should keep in mind to ensure a smoother and more enjoyable trip. Here are some mistakes to avoid. Join us to find out what those mistakes are. Let's start. 1. Underestimating the cold. Sapa can be very cold in December, with temperatures often dropping below freezing at night. A common mistake is not preparing enough warm clothing, including layers, a good quality winter coat, gloves and hat. Not being prepared for the cold can make your trip uncomfortable. 2. Don't book accommodation in advance. December is a popular time to visit Sapa, and accommodation can fill up quickly, especially during holidays or weekends. You should book accommodation in advance to ensure accommodation. 3. Neglecting appropriate footwear. Sapa's terrain can be rough and muddy, especially during the rainy season. Not bringing appropriate footwear such as waterproof hiking boots can lead to discomfort and slipping on muddy trails. 4. Not checking the weather forecast. The weather in Sapa can be unpredictable and heavy rains often occur in December. Not checking the weather forecast before your trip can leave you in a shower without a shirt suitable rain. 5. Pack too much. While packing warm clothes is important, packing too much can be a mistake. Carrying heavy luggage can be inconvenient when traveling on mountainous terrain and hiking trails. Pack smart and bring only what you need. 6. Ignore altitude sickness. Sapa is at a higher altitude, and some visitors may experience symptoms of altitude sickness, such as headaches, dizziness, or nausea. It is essential to acclimate slowly, stay hydrated, and seek medical help if symptoms get worse. 7. Not researching trekking routes. Sapa is known for its great trekking opportunities, but not researching trekking routes in advance can lead to confusion and getting lost when you explore on your own. 8. Ignore tour guide advice. It's important to hire a local guide or thoroughly research the trails you plan to explore. Hiring a tour guide will help you learn and explore Sapa more realistically. 9. Skip travel insurance. Travel insurance is often overlooked but can be a lifesaver in the event of an emergency, such as illness or accident. Make sure you have comprehensive travel insurance that covers your activities in Sapa. 10. Disrespecting local culture. Sapa is home to many ethnic minority communities. It is essential to respect local customs, dress modestly, and ask permission before taking photos of people or their homes. By avoiding these common mistakes and fully preparing for your trip to Sapa in December, you can enhance your overall travel experience and make the most of your time in the best, safest way possible. Best for this beautiful destination. Thank you for watching our video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to support us with a like, share, and subscription. We are Trekking Tour Sapa, a team of professional local guides in Sapa. If you are planning to travel to Sapa in December but you don't know where to stay, where to go, and what to do, please contact us via the information below for dedicated advice.